these are the presenters. This is me about 10 years ago, so it's a little bit misleading. I'm a partner at GeoAgro. I come from the GIS consultancy, and I was born in Pennsylvania but studied in Argentina and then got a postgraduate in Netherlands. I'll be coordinating the course and also going through the basic principles that we'll be reviewing today. Dr. Jim Scheppers, as a former researcher at USDA ARS, he's from Nebraska. He's been working at USDA ARS since 1975. And Dr. Scheppers has a great way of explaining in a simple way, complex concepts. He'll be presenting proxy yield maps, which is using remote sensing to produce maps that tell us about the yield variability, and it's a very interesting tool that can be used. Then we have Dr. Peter Scharf. He works at Extension at the University of Missouri. He focuses on nutrient management and optimizing the application rates, and also to minimize these nutrients, avoiding these nutrients to go into the groundwater. He'll be presenting the evaluation of potential yield losses and applying supplemental nitrogen in corn. Dr. Forrest Nutter, he's from Iowa State University. He will focus on crop protection and plant disease epidemics, how we can diagnose, detect plant stresses on the health and productivity of plant populations. And he'll be going through that topic during the course, how to use remote sensing, GPS, and GIS to detect plant disease epidemics. Then we have Dr. Dave Franzen, Essential Soil Specialist from North Dakota State University. He supports educational programs on soil and soil fertility. And he'll be presenting about the topic regarding use of remote sensing to build nutrient management zones. That's also a very interesting topic, how you combine yields, remote sensing, maybe electrical conductivity, maybe the topography, to build homogeneous management zones and how these are applied. And also we'll be featuring information from different imagery providers. This is something that's evolving very quickly. We have from the very detailed, very small unmanned aerial vehicles, imagery providers are becoming, let's say, feasible now. It was more like a hobby a few years ago. Now, well, not a hobby, actually. It's there's technology developed initially by the military for surveillance purposes. Now, also from the hobby sector, you could fly these planes and you could start adding more weight. And now it's becoming more into a commercial possibility. This is what's coming up. Aerial imagery, also there are a number of good aerial imagery providers who are reducing their costs and increasing scale. Of course, number one, satellite imagery. We'll see this during the course. More options, more frequency, more resolution, and lower cost. So we're bringing products from these two main providers, RapidEye and Astrium. So that also will be very interesting. And also we'll have Victoria Corte, who is a consultant at GeoAgro. She'll be presenting productivity maps, which is a very effective method that we're using to map variability within fields and then implement site-specific management for variable rate nutrient or seed recommendations.